I don't need a visa. I'm speaking Arabic. I mean not orange whip. Baby, don't force it. I know we foreign.
Beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, well, stop what you're doing and go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. So I'm super excited for today's video because I kind of wanted to do a challenge. I've been seeing it going around YouTube and Instagram, and I kind of wanted to challenge myself. Now, I've seen people do it from 10 minutes to 15 minutes, but I feel like I'm very confident in myself, so I'm challenging that I'm going to do my everyday makeup routine in 12 minutes. So I have a timer right here on my phone. I'm going to try to put up one on the screen if I figure it out. But yeah, so I'm going to do my everyday foundation routine. Now this is very realistic because it's 3:05 right now, and I actually have like 30 minutes that I need to fully get ready, hair, makeup, and you know, my outfit and everything. So this is kind of what I would do on an everyday basis if I'm just running out. So if you guys want to see, go ahead and stay tuned. So to start off, I did lay out everything that I'm using because I didn't want to waste any time looking for anything. Yeah, so this is gonna be my everyday routine. Before I start, I want you guys to go ahead and leave a comment and see if you think I can do it or not down in the comment section. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start on my phone, and then we'll see. First thing I'm going to use is a primer. I'm going to just quickly talk through. I'm not really going to explain anything. Yeah. So personally, I think the only thing that's going to take me a really long time to do is my eyebrows. But I think I might have mastered how to do my eyebrows really quickly. So yeah, we'll see. I'm also gonna try not to look down on the timer so that I don't give myself anxiety. I probably should have laid out my brushes too. If I forget to list anything in the video, I will go ahead and leave it in the description box. Now, I'm not rushing or, you know, like skipping anything. I'm definitely doing this as if I would do it on an everyday basis. Only difference is I'm being timed. I finished my makeup but before I tell you guys, I want you guys to go ahead and let me know if you think that I made it in the 12 minutes or not. So I finished all my makeup and I still have 2 minutes and 51 seconds to spare. I felt like this is like my everyday makeup routine, so it was really simple. It's something so easy to go to. For every day, I don't wear eyeshadow. You guys saw I put a little bit of bronzer just to give myself some color. I don't wear falsies. I don't wear eyeliner. Like, I keep it really simple for my everyday go-to everyday routine. So yeah, it was a little nerve-wracking, I have to say, just knowing that there's a timer. So I had to try to like not keep looking at my phone, but I did it. I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, I challenge any of you guys to go ahead and do it. If you do, please be sure to let me know. Yeah, that's it for my video, so I look like I have 2 minutes and 51 seconds left. And that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in the next one.